3, 2, 1, take off!
Yeah. So these are the chairs, right?
Yeah.
The longer chair is over there.
The other short
So that chair is here, right?
Yes, it does.
So how do we do this thing? Why don't we do it this way?
It's better to follow the map. It's better to follow the map.
Makera, you will start from here. Here. Makera will start from here. Come to this side.
Okay.
Makeni will go all this way. This direction. Makera will go this direction.
And where would I go?
Matada,
Yes, you can.
you will come here.
I'll come straight.
Yeah, you'll come straight. And wherever it ends, it's fine. You can go towards that side. Towards that side. There is exit over here. So you can come towards the side, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is Matada. Okay?
So I'm
Listen, so where do we push?
we push from my side.
No, we have to
From
push
my side?
one end.
From another side.
We have to push one end this way. So that when we push, it will go all this way, and then when it gets here, this side will go, and then this side will also go. What about that?
Okay. Yeah, so I will start from the door side.
You're going to make it see. Okay, so but if you start from the door side, you may not have enough resources. So we will start from here, and when we still have a little more, we now extend to this side, right?
Yeah.
Thank you.
So we are going to make it.
Makeni, thank you. You are the project initiator. You are the one who started this project at Manata. You are the supervisor. And then Makera, you are the team player.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
We succeeded. Thank you. We did it.